धर्मेश भाई यहाँ बैठा बैठा फोन
धर्मेश भाई क्या है
दूसरा धर्मेश जी है, धर्मेश जी को
It crashed in a populated area outside Ahmedabad's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, a large fire with thick black smoke visible for miles. 12, 2025. When an Air India Boeing 7878 Dreamliner, operating as flight AI171 from Ahmedabad to London Gatwick, crashed shortly after takeoff. The plane was carrying 242 passengers and crew, including citizens from India, the UK, Canada, and Portugal. According to the Ahmedabad police commissioner, there appear to be no survivors from the flight, and it is possible that people on the ground may also have been killed. Assessing the total casualty count, the UK government reported that 53 British citizens were on board and has set up a consular helpline for affected families. The airport has since resumed limited operations.